what are their biggest goals and challenges that are directly and indirectly related to the decision that they would make on where they choose to place their servers, what they choose to do for colocation, or perhaps what they consider doing with cloud, whether it's public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, or whatever permutation or combination that you're offering as part of your business. So at a high level, when you're looking to compete against Amazon Web Services, there's a couple of different arguments for what determines competition. Over the last couple of years, it's come into focus that the cost savings that was sold as a panacea, that was sold as the silver bullet for why everyone should go public cloud years and years and years ago, has not worked out as well as intended. It's worked out well as intended for the hyperscalers, but not so much for the clients. There's all kinds of horror stories of costs going crazy as people started to ramp up capacity. And now a lot of companies choosing to repatriate, that's the word, right? It came up a couple of years ago, repatriation, where you take assets, where you take data that was formerly living in public cloud and you're bringing it back into a colocation facility, or perhaps even an owned facility, an end user facility for an enterprise data center that you're managing yourself. Because of cost issues. There's also a lot of control issues. There's a lot of compliance issues. There's a lot of flexibility issues. There's a lot of like, hey, how do I know where this is located kind of issues that come up. So what is going to be compelling for the colocation versus public cloud, for the colocation versus AWS, will depend on the stakeholder. For having a conversation with a CFO, a chief financial officer, for sure, they are going to want to talk about costs and budgets. For a meeting with a CTO or someone in infrastructure or engineering role, they'll care more about compliance, they'll care more about latency, they'll care more about uptime, they'll care more about the cybersecurity.